Hi, welcome to Tech Fix. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to add extensions in your Tachiyomi app. So right here is the more homepage of my Tachiyomi. Just click on the settings option. So from here, click on the browse option. So I already add an extension already, as you can see it. So in order to add yours, this is what you have to do. Go to your browser. You have to type in Taco extension. So you click on the first website, you scroll gently, you're going to see the first extension here we have is Keyushi. That is the favorite and best extension from Tachiyomi. So you just click on the install option here. So when you click on it, you just copy it, add it to your repo URL. Click on the add option, so automatically it will be added. As you can see, if you click on your settings, click on the browse option, you see that we already add it. You can see showing that we have one report already. So guys, that is it on how to add extensions in your Tachiyomi. If this video was helpful, please do also follow Tech Fix for more phone tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.